Hello everybody, my name's Adam, your training director. Welcome back to our series, Games That Work, where we share with you games and activities that work. Today's game is less of a game, more of an idea, an approach. It's called mini whiteboard activities. Now, in your school or your center, you should have a mini whiteboard. If you don't have mini whiteboards, you often have flashcards which have a plain white back, or the students can use their paper and hold their paper up to submit the answer. With these games, you'll split the students into groups. Try to use smaller groups of 2 or 3 students, and then you'll give them a task. For example, a multiple choice question. You can do this based on the book, or based on your PowerPoint, or based on Bamboos or Kahoot, many ways of doing it. In their groups, they all write down the answer and hold it up. That way, you can check whether each of the groups have understood, and it means that there is a much higher rate of participation because you can look around and check every single person. Another way of doing it is you could do a rearrange your sentence activity. Or you can use this when you're doing grammar, doing listening questions, reading questions. You can use it for so many things. This is a way in which you can make your activities fun and engaging. So give it a go, mini whiteboard activities. And I'll see you in the next one.